Hello. So today we're going to be making vegetable soup, also called Edikaikong, with a twist anyway. So I have my vegetable leaves already cut. So this is water leaf, and here is ugu, that's pumpkin leaf. So we have perewinkle and shell. So these are the basic ingredients we're going to be using. The rest ones you would see as we keep adding. So in here we have meat, fish, stockfish, and we're seasoning with onion, salt, stock cube. Also have a little water added into the pot to make the meat fat. So in a clean dry pot you're going to add oil. So we're going to let it bleach for some time. Add some salt. Blended pepper and crayfish. So after a few minutes, you can see the water is dry. So now it's time to put the water leaf. Going to cover it and let it cook. After some time you stir to make sure it's not burning. So transferring the beef into it. Salt, stock cube, and you stir properly. And you cover now to boil for 10 more minutes. Perewinkle, now this part is optional. You can decide to use the shelled one that I'm using on shell. What a good soup, perewinkle. Now we're going to add more palm oil. Just added the okazi. And then the vegetable, that's the pumpkin leaf. allow it to cook before we stir it. Final stir, and see the food is ready. I can't wait to eat this with my swallow. The food is ready. Can you see it? Hope you enjoyed watching.